It is Saturday, May 21st, Long Beach, Mississippi, and it's 2011. Today is supposedly the day of rapture again. And it's a Saturday. There are just a few people out here on the beach and on the harbor, or on the walking pier rather. I'm sure there's probably people over fishing off the harbor. I shouldn't be here because of my being sick, but I can't stay away. I can't seem to do it. I just gotta know what's happening. And I can't stand staying at home and just sitting, waiting and wondering either. It's an ugly sight. There are bones, there are feathers, there's trash, there is dispersant foam. It's just ugly, my friends, just ugly. See the traces of oil under the sand. Look at the discoloration and residue in the water. This is residue of foam that's come up and dried up off the beach. Don't get my feet wet. I can help it. Just not at all pretty sight. Melted plastic bottle. Isn't that interesting? Half of a telephone pole. Chunk of a telephone pole. Just slap ugly. What else can you say? It's Saturday, the 21st. Once again, the parking lot is full of empty boat trailers, meaning there are a lot of boats out there. Lots and lots of them. And there are lots and lots of people swimming in the water. Swimming in this.